So, Old Hall Point. Too close for comfort, to be honest, with the should be alright sidling round here. Lee Shore, what do they tell you not to do? Ebb tide. And bumpy. Fenced off now. They're trying to keep boat users off there, and it's perfectly understandable. Don't start treading on birds' nests and frightening them. They're not going to nest, are they? So I can see some excitement here on board. They're all looking at something. Just looking at the depth sounder. See, we get offshore, it's quite a breeze. It's supposed to be 17, gusting 25, but certainly fairly steady at 18, 19 on my wind speed indicator, so much for the gusts, it's just fairly constant. Okay, my bird watching knowledge is very limited, but there doesn't seem to be many birds on there. Oh, we found the turns list apparently, which is always a good thing. Just coming up to the old holders, and they were used to try and block the silt in there. Seems to have done a reasonable job because it stayed where it should.